In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to make a website with WordPress, even if you're a complete beginner and have never built a website before. By the end of this video, you'll have your own WordPress site created, named, published, and ready to share online. This method works in 2026 and uses WordPress.com, so you don't need any technical skills or coding knowledge. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future WordPress and website tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is log in to your WordPress account. Go to WordPress.com and sign in using your email and password. If this is your first time logging in, WordPress may show you a few prompts or welcome screens. Go ahead and accept those prompts so you can continue. These are just onboarding steps to help set up your site. Once you're logged in successfully, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard area. From here, look at the left-hand side or the main screen and click on My Home. This is where WordPress guides you through the setup process for your website. After clicking on My Home, scroll until you see a section called Next Steps for your site. This section is very important because it walks you through the essential setup tasks needed to get your website online. In this area, you'll see different options to customize and build your site. Next, find the option that allows you to give your site a name. Click on Select to give your site a name. This is where you choose the title of your website, which visitors will see when they land on your site. Take a moment to choose a name that represents your brand, business, or personal project. Once you've entered your site name, save or confirm the changes so WordPress can apply them. After naming your site, move on to adding content. In the Next Step section, click on Completed, Add a new page. This will open the WordPress page editor, where you can start creating pages like a home page, about page, or contact page. Inside the editor, you can add text, images, and other elements depending on what you want your page to include. Make any changes you like, and once you're happy with how the page looks, click on Publish. WordPress will usually ask you to confirm, so click Publish again to make the page live. After publishing, go back to the editor or dashboard once your changes are saved. Now, return to the main dashboard by clicking on My Home again. This brings you back to your setup checklist and site overview. From here, you can continue customizing your site, but for now, let's focus on sharing it. Look for the option that says Share Your Site and click on it. WordPress will show you your website's URL, which is the link you can send to friends, clients, or anyone you want to visit your site. At this point, your WordPress website is live and accessible online. And that's it. You've successfully created a website with WordPress from start to finish. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.